Okay, so now I've been using these wireless headphones from Veenax for a while, and also this portable speaker from Veenax a couple of days. And these Pogo headphones, I must say, is really good. It's really good for the money. It's very cheap to buy, around $30 US, and the sound quality from these are really good. I must say that. And you have 8 hours of battery life for these Pogo wireless headphones from Veenax. And I usually compare wireless headphones to these wireless headphones from Plantronics, because these Plantronics headphones are much more expensive than, for example, these Pogo headphones from Veenax. And the sound quality of these headphones are on par with Apple AirPods when it comes to sound quality, and actually much better than these Plantronics. So better than the Plantronics and on par with the AirPods when it comes to sound quality. And these Pogo headphones are really easy to pair with your phone. Just long press the start button and have the pairing feature on your phone active, and then they are ready to go. So a lot better than most headphones to pair with. So I can highly recommend these Pogo headphones. They are really great and they fit your ears nicely. They are a bit heavy though, but you have this small ring here to make them not so easy to fall out of your ear. So they fit quite nicely into your ear, and you have 3 different sizes to choose from. So these Veenax Pogo headphones gets a recommended from me, actually. A recommended review, recommended headphones from me. They are actually good. So I recommend these. Go buy them, and you have links to where you can buy them down below in the description text, and also some off codes from the Amazon store. So you get 30% off. And the small portable speaker then, the PS-10 portable speaker, a wireless Bluetooth portable speaker, the Veenax PS-10. Well, it's actually quite nice. You set it on like that, and when you play music or audiobooks or any other thing from this portable speaker, through this portable speaker, it vibrates when you have it on the stand like this, or a table. So it feels like it's hovering above the table, actually. That's a quite cool feature, I think. And you get quite good bass from this portable speaker. Even if it's so small and so on, you get kind of good bass, actually. So for the money, around $20 US for this portable speaker with 10 hours of battery life. I mean, it's nice for that kind of money. You can have it with you easily in a bag or anything, and it pairs with your phone really easily. And every time you turn it on, it connects automatically to your paired phone. And very easy to have it like a portable speaker when talking, for example, with other people, because you can have it. It has a built-in microphone and so on, so you can answer calls and so through this speaker. So that's a nifty feature. Again, I can recommend this portable speaker for that kind of money actually. And you find links down below in the description text to where you can buy this, and with a 30% off code from Amazon store. So go check that out. Really nice. Okay, bye.